Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily create a bootable SD card for Windows 8. Set up the Windows 8 into a USB flash drive or an SD card or an external hard disk. These are the steps to follow. First of all, make sure that your storage device in which you intend to put the Windows 8 is empty. Any existing file, transfer them to another storage device because they will be deleted during the process. As a next step, make sure that you have the Windows 8 ISO file. So here I do have it. Third thing which you need to do, open your browser, type Rufus, and hit enter. Click on Rufus Create Bootable USB Drives. Scroll down and locate the download button. Click on this title, which changes color when you hover over it. And once the download is over, which I have already done, double click on the software to open. I have it already downloaded, so I will just double click. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this device to make changes to your computer. Go ahead and click yes. Wait a few seconds and the software should appear here in the desktop. Sometimes it takes up to 40 seconds, 1 minute as a max. Step, locate your device in which you want to set up the Windows 8. Click on select. Navigate through your files until you find the Windows 8 ISO file. Double click on it. And here, make sure that you selected standard Windows installation. Leave all the settings by default and click start. However, you can always name it Windows 8. Volume label, Windows 8. Click start, click OK, and the process will begin. It's an automated process. It takes about 5-6 minutes based on how fast is your computer. However, once it's done, I will show you what to click, but it doesn't require much manual input. It's just a matter of one click to go to the next. And the whole process should take you about 6 minutes. I will just pause the video here and I will take back once the process is completed to show you what to click next. While trying to set it up or to set up any software using Rufus, just click close. The device is in use by another process. Please close any other process that might be accessing the device. Make sure to read the file system. It's FAT32. Click close. In the search, type disk mgmt. Click on the disk format icon. Wait a few seconds until the disk management window opens up. This is what you should see. Try to locate the device that it didn't work. Mine contains 14 giga, and here it shows RAW partition. Left click, select delete volume. Yes. Right click, new simple volume. Next. Next. Leave the size by default. Change. Assign the drive letter. Okay. F. And here make sure it's FAT32 compatible with the Windows 8 or with the software that you are trying to use. So if you are trying to install Windows 8, it's FAT32. If you are trying to install Windows 11 or Windows 10, it is NTFS. So make sure to select the appropriate file system and select Perform Quick Format and click Next. Finish. The operation will take a few seconds. This, open the PC shortcuts, locate your USB, just make sure that it's visible for you there. Right click on it, select Format, FAT32 compatible, so just click Start, Quick Format. The operation usually takes like 1 minute as a max to be done. Next, click OK, close it, and here it's ready. So now we're going just to re-click again on Rufus, or we're going to relaunch Rufus, and it should work this time. Start again. I will click OK to format, and the process should begin, and it should not be a problem anymore. The process has been done, and there is no error anymore. We can just go ahead and click close, and we can check the storage device, and we'll find our software there ready to be used. So here we have it, and all the ISO files are here, and the software is ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.